Hi everyone, welcome back to HubSpot channel to learn more about HubSpot. Today we'll be showing you how to connect Google Analytics 4 with HubSpot. This integration is essential for your tracking and analyzing your website performance. You will gain valuable insight over your marketing campaign. Now, let's deep dive. Before we dive into the steps, let's discuss why you should integrate Google Analytics 4 with HubSpot. With Google Analytics 4, you can track which pages your user landed on and what content they consume after that, providing a deeper insight into user behavior. You can mark significant actions as a key event. So to connect Google Analytics 4 to HubSpot, you go to your setting on top right, then you go to content bottom left, pages, you click on integration, click on integrate with Google Analytics 4, and now you have to place your measurement ID. To find your measurement ID, you need to go to Analytics, then in Admin, Data Stream. Here you click on your website, and here you have your measurement ID. You click on Copy, you go back to Setting, you paste it, and you can just save. And that's it for today's tutorial on connecting Google Analytics 4 with HubSpot. By following these steps, you'll be able to track your website performance and gain valuable insight over your marketing. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. See you next time!